Thousands of ZANU-PF supporters from across the Harare province, 6 administrative districts, converged in Epworth for the Constitutional Amendment Act number 3, CAA 3, Thank You Rally, held at the part of nationwide celebrations following the enactment of the Cap 3. Sarapina mashoka mdanyo kapangwa ine atukona out last weekend. So people celebrating across Zimbabwe. Right now, tunakuti Harare, they also gathered in Epworth. But I don't know, thousands of people were gathered. Not about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team Sani Lerganzi, Harare province holds Constitutional Amendment Act 3. Thank you, rally is thousands gathered in Epworth and Rambirachiti. The event is providing a platform to celebrate the legislative milestone of engaging citizens on the objectives and significance of the amendment in strengthening constitutionalism, governance reform, and national development under the Second Republic, reflecting the party's continued emphasis on discipline, unity, and grassroots engagement. Leading the celebrations are ZANU-PF Harare, Provincial Chairperson Comrade Goodwill Masimuremba, Political Member Comrade Tenda Jirao, Central Committee Member Kudakwashe Tagure, Harare Provincial Minister of State for Devolution Honorable Senate Charles Tawengwa, and Elders Council Member Comrade Aida Mashonganyika express gratitude to the people of Harare for their unwavering support of ZANU-PF and the leadership of His Excellency President Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. The leaders described CAA 3 as a vital instrument for strengthening Zimbabwe's legislative framework to accelerate the implementation of Vision 2030, a National Development Strategy 2, 2026 to 2030, while reaffirming the party's continued country's commitment to delivering infrastructure development, housing, clean water, economic empowerment, and youth programs, and taking government policies to legislative developments to communities across the province to my developments and Budapangwa in a comment section made of any more to leave on zero page. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.